Hello everyone. If your Lasko fan suddenly stopped working, it could be due to power issues, overheating, or motor related problems. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can troubleshoot it step by step and get it running again. So first of all, you need to start with the basics. You need to make sure that the fan is properly plugged into a working power outlet. You can try another outlet in order to confirm that it is not a socket related issue. Also, you need to check the power cord for any kind of visible damage. If there is no response at all, you can continue to the next step. In it, you just have to consider overheating as well. If the fan is running for a while, it may have shut off automatically for safety. So you need to first of all unplug the fan and let it cool down for at least 10 to 30 minutes. Then you need to plug it back in and try turning it on again. You can also check if anything is blocking the fan blades. The dust buildup and the debris can stop the motor from spinning. So you need to clean the blades and ensure that they move freely. If the blades are stuck, the motor is not going to start. Also, some Lasko fans have a thermal fuse and the internal safety switch. So if this fails, the fan won't turn on at all. So in that case, you need to repair or even replace that particular switch. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.